love Andrew Tate. Sounds controversial, right? And this is exactly the dangerous recipe that he invented for virality. Let me tell you exactly how he got so viral in such a short period of time and his secret business strategy that allowed him to earn crazy amounts of money. Today is day 11 of creators creating companies, and today we are talking about the man, the legend, the criminal, Andrew Tate. Now, what strategies did he use to build his influence and what can you learn from them? First is triggering your audience through controversy. Pehle to he positioned himself as this wealthy playboy who people aspire to be like. And secondly, he said extremely controversial statements that you're not supposed to say out loud.
So the only women who don't love misogynists are the women who are too ugly to get fucked by a misogynist.
And all of this really made him stand out, where teenage boys were either extremely in love with him or absolutely hated him. And in either case, he got engagement. So जो लोग उन्हें पसंद करते थे वो उनकी वीडियो शेयर करते थे अपने दोस्तों के साथ ये बोल के कि he is so on point, he's saying the right thing. And the haters used to share it by saying कि how dare he say these things? Why is he saying all of this? And that is how he got so viral. Now his secret strategy is his online business, Hustlers University, which is genius in a very messed up way. So पहले उन्होंने एकदम cult like following बनाई, फिर उन followers को Hustlers University में enroll किया, फिर उसके बाद वो ही followers उस प्रोग्राम पे पैसे अर्न करने के लिए एंड्रू टेट की तरह एक वेल्दी प्लेबॉय बनने के लिए उस प्रोग्राम को बेचना शुरू हो गए आगे और स्टूडेंट्स को एनरोल करना शुरू कर दिया. And that is how the chain started. Now what he did here was sort of like affiliate marketing, which is basically if you buy a t-shirt that I recommend to you, then I will receive a commission on that. While the strategies here are genius in a short-term sense, I would recommend that if you want to adopt these strategies, use them in an ethical way. I'll be covering more such interesting stories every single day for the next 39 days. So give me a follow if you're trying to make it in the creator economy too. I'll see you tomorrow.